Hey everyone, it's Ross here, and I just wanted to introduce you to my new pack that I've released on the website. It's called the Blood and Bodies Map Assets. This was a little Halloween release I did for Patreon recently, and it's just now been uploaded to my website, 2minutetabletop.com. As you can see, it comes in kind of two packs. We've got a pay what you want version, which you can potentially download for free and try it out. And we've got the $5 Patreon pack. So we can see here, you can click into these items and look in detail at what's inside. This is just a preview, so some of these are all very differently colored inside the pack. For example, our turtle here isn't strange beige color. And then same goes for the asset pack. But let me break it down in more detail. So here they are. These are the downloads. Both of them come with a Dungeon Draft pack, kindly put together by David Wilson. And in our Pay What You Want pack, it's rather simple. Two asset folders, one for virtual tabletop and one designed for print. Same assets in both, just different dimensions. Inside, you find this big collection of people sleeping, arrows, weapons, battlefield debris, everything that it says on the box. A bunch of skeletons, those are particularly useful. And then inside the bloody assets, I've hidden away all of the versions that squeamish folk might not want to look at immediately. You'll find variants of all of these people with pools of cranberry juice around them, and also different pools and spatters and other stuff of cranberry juice. You can get a little preview here. Bunch of useful stuff. And that is the pay what you want version. There are 204 altogether, plus 127 cranberry juice versions. Moving on. We have the pack. So the pack comes with bonus stuff, as you may have guessed. It comes with these 3 battle maps with various day and night versions. We have the Hungering Pit, which has been decorated by cultists with bodies and cranberry juice. Good fun, but I won't open that one up on the video. We have the Sinister Cabin, or as I like to call this version, the particularly Sinister Cabin, because there's a fun little murder scene inside, which with enough clues for you to kind of put together what happened, perhaps. And then I could show the Woodland Nexus. This is just another kind of, I imagine cultists are to blame or something like that. But yeah, we've taken this old map and surrounded it with bones. That's fun. All these battle maps also come in PDF files if you'd like to print them out. And then the main attraction is asset variants. And so these are, like it sounds like, variations of the assets in the Pay What You Want pack. For example, Adventurer 1, we have 3 variants. We've got 3 more variants for Adventurer 2, and so on and so forth. And my hope with these is that you just have enough variety that you can, pull any kind of NPC out of here and use it as you need. And again, even more in the Bloody Assets folder. And there's a great many variations here. So I hope I've done a good job of explaining the differences between the packs. And yeah, I hope that these new assets are useful to you, and hope you have fun. I guess that's all for now. So talk to you again next time.